Oops, they did it again. Ugh. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I got my third Boxycharm box in, and I'm just going to assume this is the August Boxycharm box. I haven't a clue because I haven't opened it yet, but we are in the month of August. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing like I did on my first two Boxycharm videos. I also wanted to update y'all and let y'all know that I took one of your suggestions. I'm so sorry, I cannot remember your name right now, but one of my viewers suggested that I contact pretty much the main owner of the Boxycharm company. So I went ahead and did that. Mind you, I have not heard from customer service, customer support, anything like that. But I did message the founder and CEO of Boxycharm as suggested, and I did get a reply. So I explained my situation. Pretty much he said, hi, I'm not sure, but it may be since you have a large enough following on YouTube. Just an assumption, so don't go assuming. Okay, girl. So pretty much he's just saying, I'm assuming that's why you got it. I hope you enjoy the boxes. I wrote back, said I'm loving them, and he said thank you. And that was pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and assume that somehow I got put up on the PR list. And let me tell you something, I'm not complaining. I'm pretty happy about this. And I just looked at myself in the viewfinder and realized that my hair right now looks ridiculous. You know what, I'm wearing this headband because I decided to take it upon myself and trim my bangs, which normally turns out like kind of okay, but today I got a little scissor happy and I'm just not feeling it, so this is gonna have to do for now, girl. Okay, so I'm going to say something before I open this. You know, the first few boxes I got, I was actually sent a tracking number from Boxycharm. I didn't get a tracking number this month. And you know, I'm looking around on social media and I'm seeing like that this box is supposed to be awesome. There's supposed to be a Laura Lee palette in this month's box. And I'm thinking to myself, if I got those other two boxes and I don't get a third box with the Laura Lee palette in it, I'm going to be so upset. Now, I seen on Instagram some people were complaining that they did not get the Laura Lee palette, which I am seriously hoping that is not my case today. I want to open this box and see the Laura Lee palette, and if it's not there, I'm gonna be so sad. But let's just hope for the best and hope that it's in there, okay? So here's the moment of truth. Did I get the Laura Lee palette or did I not? Because I'm gonna be sad if I didn't. Okay, so here is the paper. We've got 20% off Smashbox, and I do see a coupon on the back for 25% off of Laura Lee. Could this possibly mean that I got it? Let's see. Okay, I did. I literally, my eyes did not see anything else except I seen party animal. I just seen the words and I'm like, that's it. I got it. I got it. I got it! Oh my gosh! I'm so happy! I've always wanted something of Laura Lee's and I don't own anything of Laura Lee's. And I love Laura Lee! And I got it! Oh my god. I now own a Laura Lee palette. I don't even know what else is in this box, but I got a Laura Lee palette, so thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, Laura Lee. Thank you, Boxycharms. Thank you, everybody. I also want to thank all the little people. Thanks to my viewers. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Okay, I'm going too far there, but y'all, I'm so happy. So, I don't even know what this palette looks like yet. I seen she made a few new palettes, but I don't know exactly what this one looks like yet. Oh, wow. Check this out, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome, and it's got a mirror on the top. So let's just talk about packaging real quick. I really like how small this package is. Like, I love all kinds of palettes, big, small, whatever. But I love when there's like something like this size that, you know, I feel like it's kind of more convenient and it takes up less room. So I appreciate the size of this palette. So this is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, and it's got like this triangles and stuff in the front. And yeah, so it comes with 6 colors. They are so vibrant and gorgeous, and I love the names of them, even though I'm not really a party animal, you know, unless it's a Holy Ghost party, of course. But yeah, these names are cute. So the first one here is called It's a Party. It's a Party. The second one here is Damage Control. And then this one here over yonder is Karaoke. On the bottom row here, we've got Drinks, Bottom Up, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. These colors are absolutely beautiful. So beautiful. And I cannot wait to put them all over my entire face, because that's probably what I'm gonna do. Hey, this mirror is really nice too. It's so clear, like it's pretty much showing me how caked up my makeup is right now. Not sure if that's a good thing though. Next up, we've got a knife. It is gray and sharp. Just kidding. Let's see what else came in our package. It looks like some really good stuff. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right here. And the first thing I'm going to pull out is, ooh, House of Lashes. We've got some falsies, and these are Temptress. Temptress? Yeah, Temptress. Okay, I don't know why life ain't trying to focus today, but oh, look at that packaging. It's so cute. Looks like a little bakery. Looks like a little cupcake or something. But yeah, so we got some super long lashes. Next up, we've got this Ades, hope that's how you pronounce it, New York Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. I love me some sweet almond oil. Y'all know I like to use that all over. So yeah, this is pretty cool. High-tech skincare for nails. Yeah, let's see what this is like. Oh, this is nice, y'all. This is super nice. Let's open it up and take a sniffy sniff. I guess it's just, it looks like a fingernail polish, but I'm assuming you just kind of like brush it onto your nail and your cuticle, and then you just massage it in like this. That's pretty cool. It says it's developed to restore your nails to their healthiest and most beautiful natural state. The anti-aging nail system cleanses, repairs, and fortifies, primes, and protects the cuticles. Oh, I really like that, and it feels really good. Sweet almond oil is like amazing. Oh, it just made my nail feel like silk. So yeah, that's what that package looks like. Next up here, we have something from the brand Bang Beauty. I don't even know what this is yet, but we are about to find out. Oh, gel eyeliner. Okay, hey, that's good, because I was wanting to look into buying a new gel eyeliner, because I have one that's like 500 years old, and I don't even know if that's safe to use, and I haven't thrown it away yet. But yeah, so I was thinking about gel eyeliner this morning, so that's cool. Well, this is the shade brown though. I'm not sure that I would use that shade, to be honest, but I'll tell you what, that actually looks like it would match my brows good, and I wonder if you can use this gel eyeliner on your brows, because that looks like it would be good for my brows, but I'm just not sure that I would wear that shade, because I love black eyeliner. Next here we have a lipstick from Smashbox. It is called Be Legendary Lipstick, and it's in the shade Spectacular, and I'm going to assume that it looks like that shade. What does it say in there? Studio tip, dot on lipstick with your finger for a lip stain effect. Okay, so is this a lipstick or a lip stain? Okay, I can dig it. Okay, that's a pretty color. That looks pretty. I think it would go pretty with my look today too. Except I already got lipstick on, so I'm gonna hold off on that. But maybe I could swatch it on my hand. Oh yeah, I like that. That's a pretty color. Okay, last here we have Wonder Beauty brand, and it came with 3 of them, and these are Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And let me tell you something, I need these right now. So these look like they're gonna be really good. Oh, it says they help to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the mask to adhere better to the skin. And the third is cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This has aloe leaf extract and lavender oil, which offers a cooling effect while soothing and calming the eye area. So, oh my gosh, I'm just so happy that I got this Laura Lee palette. Everything in this box was on point. As usual, this is my third Boxycharm box, and Boxycharm has it going on. I'm just saying, if you ain't signed up for it yet, I would. Yes, I did receive this for free, and obviously they sent it for a review or a video or something, but this isn't necessarily sponsored. I don't have an affiliate link for you. I don't have a coupon for you. Wish I did, so I could hook you up. So yeah, this is just honest opinion that Boxycharm is like really good, and you should try it out. I literally would have been so disappointed if I wouldn't have got this Laura Lee palette though. I probably would have just been like throwing the other stuff everywhere out of anger. Totally just kidding, but I'm so happy about this. Let's see what these shades be looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my wrist here. I don't have any makeup on my wrist or primers or anything like that, but I'm just like doing a quick swatch. Don't you hate it when there's 6 colors and you only have 5 fingers? Like, what am I supposed to do now? Oh shoot, I just swatched the same color twice. I'm so stupid. Gosh, Karen, I'm so stupid. Okay, so this is really bad swatching, so don't hold it against Laura Lee or the Party Animal palette. You guys know that I'm just terrible at swatching. Here's some colorful fingers for you guys, some colorful spirit fingers. But here is the swatches. They are super pigmented, they are bright, they are beautiful, they are gorgeous. Here is where I accidentally like did the same color there and there because I am stupid. But yeah, wow. I'm gonna have to go wash this off. Pretty good eyeshadows because they don't seem to want to come off my fingers right now. Ew. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed getting that Laura Lee palette. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn your notifications on. Whenever you subscribe to my channel, you just click the little button that says subscribe, which is going to let you know every time I upload a video. But if you click the notification button, the little bell beside the subscribe button, it's even better because it'll automatically be like, hey girl, hey, Lady Loves Tutorials posted a video, go watch it. So go ahead and click that little notification bell. That way you'll like always be the first to know when I upload a video. Leave me some comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. This palette did not come with a green shade, but where I started mixing up the yellow and the blue, I created green. Okay. Maybe I should make my own palette next. Okay, anyways, thank you Boxycharm for yet another amazing box. And thank you for the Laura Lee palette, because just thank you. Okay, anyways, I'm going to shut up now and end this video. And okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, really quick before I end this video, I just opened up the paper. I want to let you guys know that this was the Life of the Party box and Laura Lee curated. And so it was kind of like themed and it all went together with the Party Animal palette. Okay, that's the last thing I'm gonna say. I'm zipping it up now. Zipping it. Throwing away the key. Okay, bye.